Welcome to second Life as Usual. On the main channel, we have missed a video yesterday. The reason being, well, without giving too much away, there is a technical issue with the Range Rover. I'm trying not to give it away, but you can see the Range Rover is here and the battery is being charged, and there's something else I want to show you. Another issue that we've been having is with this Range Rover, I've got a puncture on the wheel and I'm teaching myself how to repair a tire. I have used a repair kit, but I just want to clarify something. Any punctures that you have on the side here, it is illegal to repair. So even though I've repaired it, this is only so I can get a new tire or till I put the spare tire, which is like literally, we're talking an hour. This is the screw that was on the inside. Why did I repair it? It's so I can practice. It's as simple as that. I want to practice and I want to try this kit. You know what? I know why you're here. You're not here to talk about the tire, are you? You're talking here about the Range Rover. I'm not going to show you what's behind you, but I guess the crane gave it away.
Oh.
Yeah. Anyway, I apologize for not, posting a video last Sunday, which is yesterday. Hopefully, we'll update you very, very soon. It's just we've been having a lot of issues, and I'm putting a lot of pressure on both of us, isn't it?
Yeah.
But we'll get it sorted. We'll get it sorted. Anyway, I'll see you in the weekend, I guess.
Hopefully.
Hopefully, yeah. Bye-bye.